Aw, shoot, I just snagged my new bass lure. I can't lose that, I paid $8 for it. Geronimo. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY bass lure out of other materials you might have lying around. I'm going to start with a used metal container. I'm going to cut out a spinning mechanism that's about 2 inches wide and about 1.5 inches long. Here I've got a 1/4 ounce low profile slip sinker. Here I'm just painting one side of my spinning paddle and the slip sinker with a bright color. Next, take a number 4 treble hook and about a 6-inch piece of stiff wire. I'm just going to thread it through and bend it around a couple times. Bend the wire back as needed to make it as straight as possible. Here I'm going to take a round split shot and cover my pigtail up. You could also use a really large bead for this. This just keeps the spinner from getting caught on the pigtail. Once your paint's dry, bend the back 2 corners up at a 45-degree angle. This will make your paddle spin in the water. Here I'm just using a drill to make it easier to thread the paddle. When you thread your wire through, make sure the bent portions are on the hook side. Now add your slip sinker. Next I'm going to create an eye with a small screwdriver and bend it around a couple times. I used a pair of dikes to snip off the excess. You may need to break it in by a little bit of movement, but after a few rotations it should spin freely. Time to test it out!